Forget complicated machines. The secret to incredible homemade ice cream is just 3 things: heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla. First, you whip the cream until it's thick and fluffy. Then you gently fold it into the condensed milk and vanilla. That's it! Just pour it into a pan and freeze it. You'll get the richest, creamiest ice cream ever. And the best part? This is your blank canvas. Swirl in some peanut butter, cookie dough, or fresh fruit to create your own masterpiece.